Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Christina. I do a bunch of different unboxings throughout the month, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of my YouTube family. For those of you coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all of your support, as always. So today I'm here with another Stitch Fix unboxing. It's such a little box this time. I don't think I've had a box this little. This is one of probably my favorite box that I do get. It helps that I've really gotten in good with my stylist, I feel like. But it's definitely my favorite box for sure. I'm not going to read the note. I just want to make sure I still have my stylist. And I do. Good. This is my 8th fix. And I always keep at least one thing, so it's definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, just got one nice little bundle here. Like with my other boxes this month, I just asked for something light pink and mostly tops because I am, working on losing weight. And I told her in my note, I said just try to find as many pins for my Pinterest that you can. And yeah, so that's it. For those of you unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's a clothing subscription box. It's $20 per box that you decide to get. That $20 is credited back towards whatever you keep out of the box. If you have never used Stitch Fix before, they are still offering your first box free with the styling fee waived, as long as you use a referral link. My referral link will be listed below, but you can use anybody's referral link. Doesn't have to be mine. And yeah, you'll get your first box risk free. But let's get into this bundle. A lot of really soft pieces in here. I'm excited. Okay, first is this striped top with a little cross in the front. It is by Emery Park. If you watched my last couple Stitch Fixes, I've gotten a couple other pieces by them, and I've loved all of them, and they've been at a really good price point. And I've gotten 2 shirts that have this cross front and the cross situation in the front. Those were short sleeve, and this one is a 3/4 sleeve. So I like that a lot. It's super soft. It's kind of like a pinkish gray with like some white stripes. So I'm really excited to try that because that looks really cute. Next, this shirt was definitely on my Pinterest. It just looks like this, just a basic tee, nice lightweight. What color are they calling this? Dark gray. It's definitely gray, but it kind of has like a purple, like a dark purple undertone. Has a cute little tie detail in the front. Very sheer, like very thin. Little see-through, might need to wear like a cami underneath it. But it'll be perfect for the summer here because it's super hot in Arizona. And the sleeves look like a really nice length too because I don't like cap sleeves, so I like a little bit longer, and that looks perfect. Next is the pink shirt, I'm guessing, she sent me. And it looks like this. It's got a little button and a cross detail in the front. I know I have a lot of shirts on my Pinterest that have this like faux wrap detail, although this is actually kind of an actual wrap detail, and so that's really cute. It looks a little bit short, but it might be perfect. And then it has these cute little ties on the sleeves. I like that they're not really too belled. Like, they are a little bit looser past the tie, but it's not really a bell sleeve. So I think that might be really cute and would be perfect for the baby shower that I need pink for. Next, this is really soft. I love soft shirts. Ooh, that's cute. Alright. Next is this gray shirt. Just a nice lightweight sweater, but on the back it's got this like fun button-up detail with these silver buttons. And then it has elbow patches. These brown elbow patches that feel like suede. This is really cute. This is by Pink Clover. I love this heathered gray color. I probably already own too many things in it, but this is still a really cute shirt. It is hand wash only, which I hate hand washing, but we'll see. Sometimes I just put hand wash stuff in the washer anyway, under delicate. And last are these leggings by MTLA. I've heard a lot about these leggings. a lot of really good things, like on this Facebook group that I'm a part of. There's a couple people who really love these leggings, and I've been asking for colored leggings, and I finally got colored leggings, so I'm excited. There's this beautiful burgundy color, which is, if you've watched my videos, you know that this is like one of my favorite colors. And they're fleece lined, so they'll be nice and warm. And they look like they're kind of high-waisted with this nice thicker waistband, which is great because it'll suck everything in and hopefully like stay up and not be tugging at it constantly, because I hate that with leggings. But this brand of legging I've had pinned for a long time on my Pinterest, so I'm excited to finally get some. But that's it. Those are my 5 pieces. I'm super excited to try all this on and see what I like, and I will be back after my try on. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back. So I just did my try on, so let's go over the clothes. Alright, first, this Emery Park top. I love this top. This top is so comfortable. It just fits really well. It's super cozy. It's so soft. I think I could definitely get a lot of wear out of this because it's not too thick, so I could still probably wear it like through the spring, especially like for a night out or something, for like a just comfortable night out to the movies or something. I think this would be perfect, and the color is awesome, and the price is probably right because it's Emery Park and all the prices are great. So I'm really excited about that. Next, this Mode Ref top. I think this is just like the perfect, just like comfortable, cozy t-shirt. I think the length was fine. The sleeves were like the perfect length for what I like. Just throw it on with some jeans and some Toms and be good to go. I think it's super cute. I really like this top. And yeah. Next, this pink top by Olive and Oak. I definitely see why my stylist put it in my box, and I did think it was really cute. I think this is definitely something I'm highly considering to keep to wear to the baby shower that I'm hosting. I think it's like that perfect, like not too dressy, not too casual. This is probably about the closest to bell sleeve that I will ever get. But I just thought it was really cute. And I could even like undo the first button and put like a cami under it if I like was worried about it like pulling too much or me having to adjust it too much. So I think there's a lot of really good options with this top, and yeah, I'm excited. This might be a 5 for 5. It honestly probably will be. Next, this top. This top is so comfortable. Like I could sleep in this top. It's so soft. It's that like slightly oversized top that actually looks good on my body style. Like if you watch my other videos, there's a lot of oversized tops that I don't like because I feel like they just make me look really big and wide. But this one doesn't do that. And it's just really soft. It's nice and lightweight. And I feel like I would wear this a lot for sure. The back detail is super cute. I could possibly wear it with leggings because it is longer in the back, or just with some jeans. I don't know. A lot of options for that top. And last, these leggings. They are so comfortable. Like I could definitely sleep in these leggings. I love the color. The burgundy is definitely one of my favorite colors to wear, hands down. And these are like fleece lined, so they're super soft. They don't quite pass the squat test, if you know what I mean. But I would only wear them with like a longer shirt that covered my butt anyway. So whether I'm wearing them around the house or out running errands, I think they'd be perfect. And yeah, they're super comfortable and soft. And yeah, that's kind of how this whole box was. So I'm definitely thinking this is most likely going to be a 5 for 5. Let me get my sheet. Hold on. Okay. So you guys know all the prices, but let me just do the breakdown. Alrighty. So the subtotal for the whole box is $204, which is awesome. With the buy 5 discount of 25%, it would be minus $51. I also had a $25 credit from Jasmine using my link, so thank you, Jasmine. And because of that credit, I didn't have to put a styling fee myself. They just took the styling fee from that credit. So the total for the box before tax would be $128. So I think that is awesome. Definitely affordable in Stitch Fix world for sure. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Like, I know I'm so far loving most of it. There's a couple that I'm not 100% sure on, but for the most part I really do like them. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you think I should keep everything or if there's something that you aren't in love with. But yeah, that's it for this Stitch Fix video, my first fix of 2018, and it's kind of a hit. It's off to a good start. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!